there's the grass that's cut and I can sneeze, but then there's the grass where you kind of roll it and smoke it. So, then there's acorns, and acorns, that's squirrel food. Now, squirrel food, the squirrels, the little rascals, they like to go in during the winter and they gather it all up for the food, and then that brown thing that's in their mouth, well, that's an acorn. So, I like to go through the nature, and I like to go on a Sunday afternoon with the top down, or else I like to watch it on national